Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm explaining how to filter by size of the email and move the emails in Outlook based on this rule. So first of all, let us create a rule and see how it is going to work. So click on the rules under the home tab. Once you click on the rules, go to create rule option. So here we don't give any options, like we don't care from where it is received and whatever subject contains and all these things. What we are going to do is to define the size of the email. So click on the advanced option and scroll to the bottom. Okay, let us go to the option with a size in specific range. Click on this option and click on this specific range where we can define the size of the email. So for example, I need emails at least 2 Mbps to a maximum of 25 Mbps. So I'm going to put 25,000, 2,000 to 25,000. Click on OK. Click on next. Move it to the specified folder. Let's specify the folder. Let's create a folder called large emails. Then click on OK and click on next. We can also set if we need any exceptions. We don't need any exception as of now. Click on next. At least 2000 and most 2000, at most 25,000 kilobytes. Okay. And also we can check run this rule now on message already in inbox. I'm not sure if there is any email with this rule, but let's see. So I can see there is no emails with that specific range. So what we can do now, we can have a test email to myself. Test, and I'm going to attach some files. I'm not sure how much it will have. Let me find out if we have any files with them. It's already only 11.4, so let me see if I have any files. Okay, this is 1.3 MB, so I'm going to attach 2-3 audio to that particular email. Let's remove this one because it's already 3 MB. Click on send. So let's wait till we receive this email. See what happens now. I receive an email which is the one we sent, test email. Why it is sent to the large email? Because it's more than 2 megabytes. So the rule is working fine, and if you already have large emails in your inbox which is more than 2 MB, it will already have moved to the large emails folders. So in this way you can organize your email, especially if your email size is too big. The email consumption of your account is too big. You can use this option and delete whatever emails which are not important and having a large email size. I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel, click the bell icon for notification. Take care. Goodbye.